The Beast Unleashed. What happens when British luxury loses its manners and heads straight for the wild? Welcome back to Vision Effect TV. Today, we're unboxing a beast that shouldn't exist, but might just change the luxury SUV game forever. Meet the Bentley Bentayga Concept X. Is this the future? At first glance, it looks like something out of a high-end survival movie. But this isn't just a design study. Revealed at the 2026 Fat Ice Race in Austria, Bentley is using this one-off masterpiece to ask one question. Are you ready for an off-road supercar? If the reaction is what they're hoping for, this rugged monster could be heading to your garage sooner than you think. Power and stance. Underneath that aggressive exterior lies the heart of a Bentayga speed, a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 pumping out a massive 641 horsepower. But the X treatment changes everything else. The track has been widened by 120 millimeters for ultimate stability on ice and dirt. Bentley has jacked up the ride height by 55 millimeters, giving it a towering 310 millimeters of ground clearance. Whether it's deep snow or 550 millimeters of water, this Bentley doesn't just pass through, it dominates. Rugged luxury. Look at these custom 22-inch forged Brixton wheels wrapped in chunky all-terrain tires. The wheel arches have been extended by 40 millimeters to house this massive setup. And that roof? It's not just for show. It features a bespoke storage rack with 4 high-intensity spotlights and, the coolest detail, a color-matched electric go-kart for when the trail gets too narrow even for a Bentley. Bentley didn't forget the soundtrack. It features a full titanium Akrapovic sports exhaust that delivers a deep, resonant bark every time you hit the throttle. Combined with a 48-volt active anti-roll system, it stays flat in the corners despite its high-riding stance. It's the perfect blend of physics-defying performance and brute force. The choice is yours. Bentley says the Concept X is developed to stimulate feedback. So, the ball is in your court. Is this the ultimate adventure rig? Or has luxury gone too far? If the demand is there, Bentley is ready to move. Let us know in the comments. Would you take the Concept X over a standard Bentayga? Don't forget to like and subscribe to Vision Effect TV for more exclusive looks at the future of mobility. I'm Ava, and I'll see you on the next adventure.